Elantra N. That's not pretty quick.
Yeah.
It feels pretty quick. It feels quicker than it is. Like,
I think it's because it's almost instant.
yeah, it's a small.
The turbo. Can just,
Probably really small turbos. They spool up so fast. It's also good that you can turn that off.
yeah.
Yeah.
Whenever I put in eco, it's just like a normal Elantra.
Because not everybody, don't want the burble sound all the time. It feels pretty quick. Like.